In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get faster shipping with CJ Dropshipping. If you want your orders to arrive sooner and keep customers happy, the key is knowing where to look inside CJ and how to read the options they give you. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account. If you're brand new, create an account. If you already have one, just log in so you're on the main dashboard. From here, you'll be able to see the tools we need to compare delivery times and choose the shipping method that best fits your goals. On the left side of the interface, look for the section that shows delivery time and shipping method. This panel appears when you're viewing products or checking shipping options, and it's your shortcut to understanding how fast an item can reach your customer. Right away, you'll notice a country setting. Many products default to routes like China to the United States, but you can change the destination to match where you're shipping. Update this field so the estimates reflect your actual target country. Next, scroll through the list of available shipping methods and their delivery times. Each method has its typical transit range and reliability profile. Faster services usually cost a bit more, while economical options take longer. As you scroll, pay attention to both the estimated days and any notes about tracking or last mile carriers. This is where you'll spot potential speed wins, especially during busy seasons when slower methods can back up. When you're ready to see the full picture, click the shipping calculation button. This tool gives you more detailed information, including the shipping fee and an updated delivery time for the option you're considering. It's helpful for comparing methods side by side because the calculation reflects the current route, destination, and service level. If you change the country or switch methods, run the calculation again to keep the numbers accurate. Use these estimates to balance speed and cost for each product. If a method shows a much shorter window for only a small increase in fee, that's often the smart choice for time-sensitive orders. Keep in mind that estimates can vary by product category and season, so revisit this panel regularly. That's it. By opening your account, checking the left side delivery panel, adjusting the country, reviewing methods, and using the shipping calculation, you'll make informed choices that lead to faster shipping with CJ Dropshipping.